Hey everyone, today we're diving into the nitty-gritty of why I decided to try out the new SPC upgraded upper ball joint, and spoiler alert, it's supposed to be maintenance free. No more crawling under the truck every few thousand miles with the grease gun in hand. We all know our vehicles go through some serious punishment, and guess what takes a beating? The suspension, especially those upper ball joints. So why SPC? Well, they've been promising more adjustability, heavy-duty durability, and improved ride quality. Sounds great, right? But, and this is a big but, a lot of people out there have been dealing with premature failure of SPC ball joints. According to SPC, it's because people aren't maintaining them properly. I mean, who knew you had to re-grease every 3,000 miles with 3% moly grease? I didn't even know what moly was before this. But today, I'm replacing my worn out SPC upper ball joint with their new upgraded maintenance-free version. Yeah, no more greasing every few thousand miles, thank goodness. Let's talk install. First, match the new ball joint settings with the old ones to keep your alignment close. Mark the location with the paint marker because trail repairs are no joke. Nobody wants to be out there eyeballing it. Now here's why I'm optimistic about this new ball joint. SPC says they've upped the game with stronger materials, a beefier stud, and a seal design that's practically a fortress against dirt, mud, water, everything. They also claim it can handle sharp impacts, heavy loads, and constant flexing without the dreaded premature failure. Let's hope they're right because I'm putting this to the test. And here's the thing, since this baby's maintenance free, SPC can't blame me anymore if it fails, right? I was tempted to go with a whole new upper control arm design, something without those annoying bushings that wear out. But man, those prices, double what I'd spend on a new ball joint, and the install would take twice as long. So here I am, giving SPC's newest ball joint a shot.
Back forward, there you go.
A little anti-seize on this nut. I'm gonna throw some torque specs at you guys, write those down, and boom, we're ready to go. Oh, and make sure your sway bar boot isn't getting too cozy with your spindle gussets, trust me. Just massage it in place and you're golden. So first impressions, I'm pretty pumped. Better angles, bigger studs, and sealed from the elements. If you're thinking about upgrading your upper ball joint, definitely check out the new SPC model. Just make sure you get the right part number because trust me, the wrong one is still floating around out there. For all you third gen Tacoma owners, the magic number is 35101. Got it? Good. Just look at it. The new joint sits at a better angle with the control arm, more stability, less stress, and hopefully no more premature boot wear. Now hit that like button if this video helped you out, and leave a comment below if you had experience with SPC or any other ball joints. Don't forget to subscribe for more vehicle repairs, mods, and of course, off-road adventures.